Do you have those gaps between your countertops and appliances? Because my floor looks like this. I finally fixed it, and it only took 10 seconds. This was sent to me, and honestly, I wasn't expecting it to put an end to crumbs and debris disappearing into that gap every single time I cook. And before I even show you the stove, I have these two big gaps between my fridge and countertop where everything falls down. I also put one here, and it fit like it was made for this exact spot. So if you've got a fridge gap collecting all the same nastiness, same fix. Every time I cook, crumbs, sauce, grease, it all drops right into this gap. It just sits there. You can't reach it, you can't wipe it, and it drives me nuts. These are black stainless steel stove gap covers, and they come in a 2-pack. Each cover has 2 pieces. There's a little lip to slide the pieces together to your desired length, slide it in, and press it down. No tools, nothing permanent. Before you order, measure your gap. They fit gaps from 1 to 18 milliliters and extend from 13.8 to 27.5 inches. And when it does catch the crumbs, you just lift it out, wipe it clean, and drop it back in. Even tough grease wipes right off the steel surface. So simple. The matte black finish against my stove and countertop looks so clean and intentional, like it was always supposed to be there. My kitchen looks so much more finished and put together. It's one of those small things that makes a big difference. Overall, I would totally recommend grabbing these, especially since you get 2 in a pack. Grab your set today.